Welcome back, first grade. We are ready for our worksheet for lesson 107. We are going to start with the 10 spelling sounds. Make sure that you say the sound with me, and then we'll write the letters that make the sound. Number 1, ah, ah. O says ah. Number 2, w. W. W says w. Number 3, This is a digraph. O says Number 4, we know 2 spelling combinations for this. Ol. L. Final. LL. Ol. Number 5, we know 2 ways to spell V. V. Final. VE. V. Number 6, oo. O says ooh. So O says 2 different things. And ooh. We know 2 ways to spell the next sound. Number 7. F. Final. FF. Number 8. Dole. DLE. Dole. We know a lot of different ways to spell the next sound. Number 9. S, comma C, final SS, comma SE, comma CE. And number 10, X. The letter X says X. All right, now let's practice spelling some words. Both of these words are wild colt words. Number 11, both. B-O-T-H, both. And number 12, mind. M-I-N-D. Mind. Today we talked about the VCB pattern, so we are going to spell some words with that pattern. Number 13 is ever. E-V-E-R. Ever. Number 14, never. N-E-V-E-R. Never. And number 15, body. B-O-D-Y. Body. We are going to practice coding some words. For number 16, do you see any suffixes or final stable syllables? No. Okay, So the C gets a cedilla because it is followed with an I. And we have two vowels. The Y is acting as a vowel, so we're going to put a dot above it. There is one consonant in between. So we can try to split it here. That would make the I long. So sight. No, that doesn't sound right. So let's try it here. The I would be closed in. City. Very good. That first syllable is accented too. City. For the next word, I see no obvious coding, so we're going to go ahead and find the vowels. Vowel I, vowel I. There's one consonant in between. So if we put the line here, this I would be open, so it would be sit. Vicit. I don't think that sounds right. If we put it here, that would close it off, so it would say it. Visit. That is better. So it needs to go after the consonant. Both vowels get a brevy. Visit. Viz. That S is at the end of the syllable, so it will get a line through it because it's making the Z sound. Number 18 has a suffix, so we're going to box the suffix S. We did this word already. We found vowel O and vowel I with one consonant in between. And we want to divide after the consonant so that both vowels get a brevy. Robins. I keep forgetting to put the accent mark, but that first syllable is usually accented in this pattern. All right, let's find the vowels for 19. We have two A's with one consonant, so this is the Vcb pattern. If we put the line right here, this would say say. This A, I'm going to go ahead and mark it. It's getting that schwa because it is followed with a D, okay? So solid. We want it to match this picture, so we need to make that A say salad. That first syllable is accented. We do have some obvious coding for number 20. We need a K back on the C, and we have combination ER. Now we'll find the vowels. So we have E and E with one consonant in between. So if we split right after the vowel, this would say cleaver. But if we go after the consonant, that makes the E short. Clever. That sounds better. All right, let's continue with more coding at the bottom, okay? So, obvious coding on number 21. Digraph EY, we talked about yesterday. The E makes the long sound. The Y is silent. Let's find the vowel pattern. We have O and E with two consonants. This is the VCCV pattern. The O is closed in, so it'll get a brevy. Don, donkey, like the animal. That first syllable is accented. Number 22 has the suffix. Box in suffix LESS. We're going to pretend it's not there anymore. Okay. So we have two digraphs. We have digraph EA. The E, ooh, we'll have to try it out. Could be a brevy, could be a macron. I'll tell you in this word it's going to be a brevy. And we have digraph TH. I kind of ruined it for you. Sorry. Breath, breathless, breathless. For number 23, we have final stable syllable, GLE. We put our bracket, cross out the final E, and our accent mark. We have digraph EA. The E this time is going to say the long sound. So this word is eagle, eagle. Number 24, this Y is acting as a suffix because if I cover it up, I'm left with a real word still. So we put a box around the suffix. We have digraph EA again. E. We need it to say E, so we're going to put a macron. Leafy. Leafy is this word. And number 25, we have a compound word. So we're going to split between the E and the B. Looking at the first word, we have a consonant E. Macron above the A, cross out the E. And for the last word, we have digraph OA. O makes the long sound, A is crossed out. Skate, skate. Board, board. Skateboard. Great job. All right, turn to your homework side. Let's talk about it for a minute. Okay, so what you are going to do is you are going to look at the picture at the top of the page, and you are going to use the words in the box to tell me a story about what's happening in the picture. Okay, so these are kind of your word bank. So you want to describe the picture to me. Make sure that your sentences start with a capital letter and end with a punctuation mark. So end with a period, okay?